without Lakshmi herself. Please, may I call you on stage, Rashmika Mandanna.
अजय इसको क्या भाई इतना ऊपर मोबाइल रखेगा?
No primer, no timer, whatever.
No timer, no waste timer.
Ayo! Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. So here's the question. सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, एंड दिस सीम्स वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड दिस सीम्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ शेखर एज वेल. तो क्या था वो जिसकी वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, ऑल गुड? हाँ, तमिल
घर पे जाने
Okay, well, there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part, it's all you.
Okay,
है ना?
why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay, well. So, what was the question again?
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. We have this entire, like, we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake, and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
But there's something very different about your character, let's be honest.
see, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be her.
So, without giving away too much, क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाली?
भी गोरा आदमी
I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it, क्योंकि like directors, each directors have their own flavor, तो इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters, and she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different, is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is the special connect? Let's start with Targetwan sir, for you. You know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching it. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling sir that sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is that. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think धनुष सर के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो वर्सेटैलिटी का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way, and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. Can answer.
Because we have limited time with sir, who actually shoot ke beat se aaye hain, and everyone here is, for them every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on stage. As we know, we don't have. By the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा हुआ आज शाम को YouTube पे रिलीज होगा, and you'll have
Very
from
nice,
Aditya
very
Music. And so we have from Aditya Music, Aditya with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? दो बार, हाँ, of course. What I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs, you have male perspective on songs, but this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Oh.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100%. With those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah.
May I?
Now I'm going to start.
No, stay with us. Yes, Aditya ji, please join us on stage. Thank you for Aditya Music for having the music beautiful by DSP. Music बहुत बढ़िया है, guys. Make some noise. That makes the movie. We have the producer Sunil Laran ji की तरफ से Janvi. Please come up on stage. Puskar Rao ji, co-producers Mugafi se Manish Vashisht, and the founder and co-producer Vipul Agarwal ji. Please join us on stage. Somebody who is the Kuber of eloquence. Probably one of the most well-spoken gentlemen who can probably be the spokesperson for this country. Dalit Nahar ji, please come up on stage. We had no clue I was talking about him, I think. And अगर स्पोर्ट की बात करें तो इन पे जब पहली नजर पड़ी, we all knew we had a Kuber of talent. Jim Sarab, ladies and gentlemen, Jim, looking stunning. In his dhoti, I think his stage पे तो चला नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा नीचे आ जाती हूँ. All right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Kuber of charm, the Kuber of simplicity. Somebody said very well, the Arjuna of cinema itself. Nagarjuna sir, please! Introduction की जरूरत है. और मुझे ये सिनेमा पूरी नजर आती है.
खाली वाइट कलर किसको दे रहा है बस?
Simplicity, versatility और stardom तीनों एक इंसान में है तो आप
चुप रहने का 2 मिनट.
बड़े स्टार में एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो अलग फीलिंग आती है. मैं
I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English. Little bit that.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko हाँ बोलने के लिए to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji started something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. But you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often, I don't come out often, but this film I think deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में a little bit because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us. कुछ भी.
I play a beggar. Yeah. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, how to do the slang. So he made life very easy for me. So very different character from what I played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed it.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बनाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, actually.
That pretty much describes everything. I think Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good heart man. You know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kamula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person.
You know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं. You can't let go of
Yeah,
them.
me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours, and Rashmika was fine. And I was Rashmika, what happened? Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. So many things like that. But it was not like. I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there. It was not that big. Actually, it was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable. Like you do only what's convenient. You know, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening and nostalgic. I really am very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of them.
Because let's clap to that journey too. आप कभी typecast नहीं हुए हो, and that in itself is a very big achievement. So here's my last question: how do you not manage to be this typecasted person? और ये बहरूपिया और ये जो इच्छाधारी नागिन कैसे अपना रूप बदलती है, आप अपना रूप बदलते रहते हो. What is this? You changed your character so smoothly. You never get to know how do you do it.
See, I'm just like a processor, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. Data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers are working.
Thank you. That's humility for you. आपने break लिया है आपके shoot से. Thank you so much for joining us for Kubera. We believe we have to let you go. I know. So here's your audience giving some love as he says goodbye to us.
Junior,
खत्म हो गया जाओ
Everybody, I would like to check you out. We want the picture with the cast, and we'd like a solo once we're done for Dhanush sir. I think Dhanush sir आज हमारे लिए पास कर गए हैं. Lunch break के टाइम पे यहाँ पे he's joined us. We're very very fortunate.
My sincere apologies to the person. I have to run. I come from work and I have to run back to work. जल्दी मिलेंगे.
Goodness! That goodness is what sets him apart.
क्यों कर रहा है कौन जिलावा धनुष गए उधर उधर जाओ इनको साथ रहने को बोलो सर इनको
ఓకే, ముందు అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎల్లరికీ सबकी नमस्कार.
सर इनको थोड़ा चुप रहना बोलो
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become Tufan and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva, Kudagawa, and Criminal, and Zakam, and Angari, and other films. And also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the North. So I'm so deeply appreciative of all your gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film. This film is very, very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do. Like you asked, what should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, "Would you like to do this role?" And I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true, and like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was also very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes, and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. This man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her filmography in the last 3 years? This just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Dhananjay, this is what we love about him.
So it's, Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theatre. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were four newcomers who were in the film who were not here. They were just brilliant. I thought, they told me they were all newcomers. And they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, my favorite, one of my favorite music directors, what music he's given for the film. The background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pipi Pipi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said it is good, I said, how can you forget Pipi Pipi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
So we spoke about the music, and we have Aditya ji who wants to speak a lot with us. Actually, I believe. Just kidding. Sir, एक लाइन में बता दीजिए because DSP का music and DSP itself as an industry, आपके लिए music कितना अलग रहा? एक ही लाइन में कुछ भी बोल दीजिए. आदित्य म्यूजिक से अलग रहा.
सर एक गाना गाओ ना.
Thank you.
ये मोबाइल बंद करो.
Another blockbuster from South.
All right. So I also have to speak of my co-star Dhanush. Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him, and also the producers and everybody.
I loved it. He made me feel so comfortable and relaxed on set. He made me feel like, I was saying all my lines in Telugu, which I do not usually speak. So, and I was with one of the... To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really rattle them. No, I don't want to give anything away, but yes. And Nagsa made me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and I knew I was with such an enormous and talented star, and he never made me feel that at all. He made me feel like he was just another player in the scene, and we needed to do the scene as best as could possibly done. So, thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fine point, isn't it? What is the different take from when you do a film like this? Because it's huge and yet it has its heartland in a very simple way. What was different for you playing this role and being a part of this magnanimous team?
Well, it always felt like an enormous film right from the beginning. When I got the what's it called? Narration. When I got the narration from the team and Shekhar Kamula sir, then he pretty much said to me, "This is an author-backed role. You just do it." I was like, "Okay, all right, I'll do it."
Was it a challenge for you? Because you get into the skin of the character, like you said, beautifully.
Well, the challenge, of course, was learning the lines because I don't speak Telugu, so that took a lot of time and effort, and I don't like the idea of saying a sentence where I don't know what each individual word means. So there was a lot of time spent there, doing a transcription, what each word meant, because it's not the same, right? In English, it can be like, how many are there? Whereas in Telugu, it would be like, many are there, how? Something. So where do you put the how? At the end of the sentence, at the top of the sentence, So that took some time and some effort.
I'm going to ask you to pass that mic to Dalip ji, who seems to be like, he's gotten a new lease with this one. Dalip sir, you know we've been a huge fan. You're fantastic when it comes to your...
Thank you.
Is there one...
Second time playing my father as well.
Woo! There is some...
That's a huge privilege.
There is some uncanny resemblance beyond just the...
But I'm a little confused now which language to speak in. तो अगर आपको हिंदुस्तानी समझ में आती तो मैं हिंदुस्तानी में बोलूँगा या अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा जैसे आपकी मर्जी
Dalip sir, mix it all.
तो अंग्रेजी में बोलता हूँ मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा देखिए ये पिक्चर मेरे लिए बहुत खास पिक्चर है और मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं शेखर कबूला साहब के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ जब उन्होंने मेरी कहानी सुनाई तो बहुत पसंद आया मुझे और उससे बड़ी बात क्या है कि मुझे नाग जी रश्मिका धनुष जी जिम और इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ मैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर जानवी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा और बाकी जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ खड़े हैं और मेरी विनती है कि आप लोग इस पिक्चर को देखें क्योंकि हर भाषा में है तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी चाहे आप तेलुगु बोलते हैं या तमिल बोलते हैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका यहाँ आने का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड आई विश द फिल्म एवरी सक्सेस
Dalip sir, in this beautiful journey for over the years that you've had, is there a moment in this film that you will carry with you forever?
Yeah, I will because the moment for me was to meet this wonderful gentleman Nag again, Mr. Nagarjun, after many years. I met him, I'll give it away, almost about 30 years ago. I met Mr. Nagarjun and when I saw him on the set, he hasn't aged even one day. I was like, ये कौन जवान आदमी कौन आ गया यानी तो नाग जैसे लगता है लेकिन था ही वो. It's been a huge pleasure to be with this wonderful star cast. Thank you.
Would you please give him the mic and let's ask him
Yes, of course.
कैसे हैं ये ageless, the #1 star of South? How have you managed to stay this fit and ageless? How so? You can't give away some trade secrets, I believe, right? Is it?
It's just a joke. Don't take it seriously. Okay, it's just that everybody around me aged. I stayed.
But is it a state of mind? Because I saw you, sir. I have not seen many superstars of your stature to be in the moment and enjoy something so heartfully. It was beautiful to see that smile when we were watching Rashmika's song. Can we clap to that childlike quality जो हम सब पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं? Yes. Do you have a tip for us, sir? Everybody, you know these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody do what they want and they'll be fine.
How lovely. Rashmika, can we have you take that mic
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell the audience here, your fans here, कि आप एक #1 स्टार के बगल में खड़े हो. खुद भी बहुत नंबर 1 उन्होंने कहा है 3 साल में जो आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी रही है शायद इनकी भी नहीं रही है. So, for being part of Kubera, the high point for you as an actor, क्या था?
High point for me as an actor, being in the dump here for 6 hours. The high
चुप
point
बैठने
for
का.
me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye opener.
मराठी में बोला महाराष्ट्र.
But also getting this privilege
No Tamil,
to
only Marathi.
work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamla sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots. Can we? Okay, I got yeah, now it's done. So, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. You've played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly you haven't seen much of this character yet because there's a lot more. As in, so far we've seen one teaser and this song is also like she going a little off, you know, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character and you will be in fact surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen guys, the reality is, you will be shocked. Every day, I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding, I'm happy where I am, I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And
that love you give us on Instagram and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wali videos. Being #1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying and saying this is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. I can't wait. Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question by Bardhaman. I will give it to sir as well. Devaprati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What is your take on pan-India movies? And also, what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. You know, I think it'll be a cool mix-up.
Love you, Rashmika.
Huh? What I don't know. Say it again now.
Love you.
You're always nice to him because you're so nice to them.
No, but this mix-up.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, bol rahe hain.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's Chaitanya sir who was telling me earlier on, Naga sir, that your son's name. Okay, we'll come to you, Naga sir. This one's from a journalist called Benson Philip from Lokmat. Benson, are you here? Aapka character in Kubera is a wealthy man grappling with deep internal struggles despite his outward success. How did you approach adding depth to such a complex role and your key message that you'd like to give to the audience through this journey?
I think somebody got it completely wrong. Okay. No, but I definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film.
So we'll keep that a secret, huh? We'll move on to the next question. Smita ji from Dainik Jagran. जब भी साउथ सिनेमा की बात होती है, you are one star, a rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star. Again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of India. Thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kochi, all of them. So very happy seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think it's all connected. We are all aware. Is there something you'd like to tell all your fans? This is not a very common moment for me as a fan, as a presenter, and for your fans and media here. कोई आप message देना चाहेंगे ना? कोई message? कोई
Message to my fans. Keep watching my films. What else can I say? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching our films.
Okay, I'm going to move on to Jim. Here are some media questions for you. This is Samina Sheikh from Zoom saying कि regional cinema एक pan-Indian movie बन चुकी है. Expectations are also on the rise when one sees an actor. What will be unique about you in this film?
In pan-India.
Sorry, Nanzo. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, can you ask it again, please?
What is the unique thing about you being part of a pan-India film? This is your growth as well as an actor, right?
Yeah, sure. No, I love having. I love being in a South film now, especially with Shekhar Kapula at the head and such incredible producers and a really stacked cast. I mean, what more can you ask for your first South film?
You've done some phenomenal films in Hindi, and we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm, you still have that presence, you still have that heart.
Yes, yes.
When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it?
Just wanted to correct that.
When are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
a bit of that
of
magic?
course. No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long, and especially I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit here up here, and that's what they talk about, and now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it.
Neither did we. We just want to see you back romancing the way you did back
I'm
then.
here. When did I say I left? I'm always here.
Thank you. For the co-producers, would you like to say something? Kubera is special to all the actors, to all the cast. So would you like to say something? Everybody, this is the last bit of it, please.
So on behalf of the producer, let me tell you, there's a lot of discussion that has happened here about Pan India and the wonderful things that all the actors have spoken. Shekhar sir, whose vision has been backed by Ram Mohan ji, who is sitting here. Sunil Narayan sir, who's in Hyderabad. So the vision, what people keep saying as Pan India, is now going to the next level. It is primarily because of the vision of the producers. I would again like to call Ram Mohan ji here, So on his behalf, I am saying that Sri Venkateshwar Cinema is going to be a game changer for the coming time also in terms of what a pan-India film should look like. Adding that to Mugafi's founder here, who is Mr. Vipul Agarwal, presenting the film in Hindi. And Vipul, you would like to say a couple of things about Mugafi?
चलो
Can we please have all of you come upstage? Thank you very much for your presence, for your keeping up.
नीचे बैठे
नीचे बैठने का